1973 was a big year for real estate in Canada. The federal government introduced the Mortgage Investment Corporation in 1973, and here in the province of BC, the Agricultural Land Reserve was introduced in 1973, 52 years ago. Now, AP Capital, we're a mortgage investment corporation. And in 1973, when that ALR was introduced, it was done across the province of BC in certain pockets, but here in the Lower Mainland, it had quite an impact in carving out certain areas where construction and development of communities could not carry on. Meanwhile, the population nearly tripled from the 1970s, where it was just over 1 million, to today, where it's around 3 million. So we're faced with this situation in the Lower Mainland, Fraser Valley to the city, where we have mountains to the north, the ocean to the west, US border on the south end, more mountains on the east, and then ALR, that's been this situation of preventing development inside that Lower Mainland Fraser Valley. This has been great when you're a mortgage lender because it's scarcity of supply, and that's helped be a real, call it a foundation of keeping prices solid, as the supply versus demand imbalance has been one that's difficult now for decades. It's episode 98. It's Fact Friday. It's maybe a bit more than 60 seconds. You go out and have a great weekend.